Hey guys, so today we're going to be doing a couples yoga challenge. And this first pose, I'd like to call it, tickle my toes. 1 foot at a time. Oh yes, tickle my toes with your toes. This one looks fun.
Sloth. It looks like Sid the Sloth on Ice Age.
Okay, I'm supposed to do it like this. Oh yeah, this is it.
The push-up challenge. We gotta do the push-up challenge. Okay, now we start doing push-ups.
Okay, go. I can't get back up. I can't get back up.
That's pretty impressive.
Thank you. Oh. The cobra strikes.
Go cobra on top. Cobra up.
Cobra.
Are you cobraing?
I'm striking. Do you want to try the cobra strike?
Sure.
I think you should try it. Oh. Did you get it? Did you get to the pose?
No, you collapsed.
Oh, he stuck my ankle in between his toes. What is it? The Titanic in yoga mode.
Your arms out. Yeah. Nice. Do it. Get some core strength. 1, 2, 3.
Go.
Oh, beast! Such a beast. Yeah. I don't
Okay.
think we're gonna be able to do this. Get strong, Lauren. Get strong. Wait, let's try it the other way. You get down first. You get down. Get down. Do it.
You're gonna break me. Oh no! Oh no!
Bend your wrist.
Yeah!
This one's called the Cobra Flies.
Oh, no,
Fly,
your
fly.
heel
Just
is-
fly. Just fly. Fly.
Okay. Now let the cobra fly!
1, 2, 3, fly.
We call this one Kiss Me, Brother! The ultimate square. Are we doing it?
No. Bend. Why are you not bending? Alright, I'm going on top. Now explode up. Up.
Up.
Oh.
Yeah, let's just not talk about it. I think we could just do it. We're probably on the same page, right?
No, you got a face fan.
Okay.
Stand on 3, 2, 1.
Hit stand on 3, 2, 1. No, it's... Namaste.
And this has been Couples Yoga on the beach.